Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by blocking in simple shapes so proportions stay correct. Draw two ovals, one a bit larger for Dad, then mark a vertical center line and a horizontal eye line on each head. Once done, add shoulder sloping lines and a light torso rectangle to set posture. This helps when placing facial features and clothing later. Make sure to keep lines light so you can erase and refine. These first steps establish size, angle, and relationship between Mom and Dad before adding features. Now refine faces. Place eyes on the horizontal line and space them about 1 eye width apart. This creates natural spacing. Once eyes are positioned, mark the nose about 1/3 down from the eye line toward the chin and the mouth about 1/3 below the nose. This proportional approach keeps features balanced. Next, sketch hairlines and simple clothing outlines to define hairstyle and posture. These shapes frame the faces and suggest personality. As you work, lighten or darken lines to test what looks right visually. To finish, erase remaining construction marks, then confidently darken the final outlines and key features so the drawing reads clearly. Add details like eyebrows, glasses, hair texture, clothing seams, and gentle shading to suggest volume and light. Once completed, step back and check proportions. If something looks off, compare the two head sizes and reposition eyes or jawlines a little. Small tweaks fix most issues. A quick troubleshooting tip. If faces look too similar, change hairline, eyebrow angle, or a smile to emphasize individuality.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.